Alright, so before we go to bed, I'm going to fill this with some cold water, just a little bowl. And then I'm going to take a couple of zip ties. A couple because redundancy reduces the chances of unexpected error ruining everything. And yeah, I'm a scientist, could you tell? Put them in here to act as handles. Please stay upright. And of course they're not going to stay upright. Okay, so what we do in that case is we get another couple of zip ties and we don't tie them. We lay them across like that to hold it up out of the water. Okay, so that should work. Make sure they're not on the same plane because then, you know, breaking and whatnot. And it goes in the freezer. Okay, let's see. How are these going to... Oh, no. Okay. We good? Okay, I think we're good. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I put a bowl in here with some water and some zip ties. And it looks like it's nice and frozen. Show it. Nice and frozen. So we pull out stabilizers and throw them on the floor. I really want this to work. It's really, really cold though. Obviously, because it was in the freezer. That is exactly what I thought would happen. Okay, so I now have a hunk of ice.
Yay.
With a zip tie frozen into it. I broke one of the zip ties. And my bowls are still together. So, yeah. So much for that. Gonna leave that on the counter. And this in the sink. You don't have to record me putting it in the sink. Unless you want to. Fail on top of fail. This is now frozen to the sink. Oh, there we go.